即摆进入到秋天咯，流行感冒的病毒搁要起作乱啊！再加上今年有新冠病毒，这个情势是真不利。南韩已经来证实，因已经发生有这种的病例，就是当时来喂到流行感冒甲新冠病毒，只是资讯也未真充足，还需要进一步来观察。
南韩昨证实讲，国内头一发现当时喂到新冠病毒甲流行病毒的病例。
Health authorities have said, however, that there is not enough information on whether such dual infections are more fatal or make symptoms worse.
南韩并无孤单，因为已经秋天，美国嘛开始烦恼讲会有两种的病毒夹攻。
The fall and the winter of 2020 and 2021 are going to be probably one of the most difficult times that we've experienced.
最大武器疫苗到底什么时阵会使上市？美国总统川普嘛无讲清楚。
We're going to have a vaccine very soon, maybe even before a very special date. You know what date I'm talking about?
虽然这个川普淡化疫情声音一直拢无消息，川普依然有信心，只是外界万箭齐发，杀伤力恐惊卡属伊家己的嘴。
I wanted to always play it down. I still like playing it down.
Yes, sir.
Because I don't want to create a panic.
这段录音是由捌出册批评川普的资深记者伍华德提供给媒体。伊伫将要推出的新册《震怒》中有写到，川普早伫美国头一个确诊病例出现进前，就知影讲新冠病毒的危险，却是选择淡化处理。对着要拼防疫又搁要拼选举的川普，应该是冒一个真大的